This is Jaden, and we are going to talk about a lot of stuff on Random Radio, and this is Walk with Jaden, so here we go. Some stupid paper, I guess. Well, kiss my ass paper. Okay, so right now I really gotta take a piss, so I gotta hurry up with this video. So I really wanted to subscribe to Shane Dawson, and I was wondering if I could get so I can get more views like him. I was wondering, Shane Dawson, this is a video comment. How can I get more views like you? Like, I just at least want every one of my videos to be 1,000 views or something like that. I don't want to be famous, but fair. Because right now I'm in the down range and I want to make a success like Random Radio. We're trying to make some bad words and stuff, but I really need your help, Shane Dawson, or Fred or something like that. Yeah, Fred too. I need a video response to Fred too, so I can get all those videos I can make into the best video ever. So there we go. This has been Random Radio video comments show, and we'll see you next time on Random Radio.